That album, Derek and Clive by Peter Cook and Dudley Moore, will not be available from next week at W.H. Smith's EMI and Boots. It has a warning on it, and our final live band tonight also have a warning on them. One of the most reviewed and most reviled rock phenomenon of recent weeks. We got a few votes. Sex Pistols, you can hear them warming up in the background even now. Take it away.
Baby, I Woodstock, come and blow me. Get up, Laura! I am an antichrist. I am an anarchist. Don't know what I want, but I know how to get it. I want to destroy half the bright and light. I want to be anarchy. And I see it. I promise sometime, maybe after the long time, stop a traffic light. Future dreamers and shopping schemes. I wanna be ways to get what you want. I use the best, I use the rest. I use the enemy. I use anarchy because I wanna be anarchist. Get here. Is this the UDE? Is this the IRE? I thought it was the UK. Bonjour! Another country. Cancel tenants.
Bakunin would have loved it. That was Sex Pistols, the leaders in their field. And all three of the bands tonight, without recording contracts, yet playing music in their own fields a lot better than most bands with recording contracts.